welcome back to the ATL, All Things Life, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is the type of content you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Well, before we get into 2024's Bath and Body Works Best 7 Scents, I want to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. May God's light, God's love, and God's joy be the reason why you celebrate this season. Now, if I have some real hardcore Bath and Body Works fan, y'all are gonna understand when I say I go way back to the brown sugar and fig days, the cucumber melon days, the sensual amber days, and let's not forget about the sweet pea. Everybody loved sweet pea. Like, I rock with Bath and Body Works when Candle Day haul was at $8.95. We don't see that nowadays, but that's okay. I am a loyal fan, and I thought it would be so fun to help you this Candle Day season and finding the best scents, whether it's for gifts or whether it's for your home. But before I get into candle number 7, I have to give an honorable mention for this candle. I have to give credit where credit is due. Frosted Cranberry will always be in my candle hauls. Frosted Cranberry just gives that nice, rich vibe to the season. It has a tonka bean, it has iced cranberries, red apples, so it's nice and sweet, but has yet a rich smell to it. You can burn this in a small space. If you're sensitive to candles, if you don't like strong candles, this may not be the scent for you, but I think that iced cranberries make it very subtle so it wouldn't be so loud. Me personally, I love clean scents, and to me, this just gives rich luxe vibes. So always include Frosted Cranberry in your haul. Now let's go to candle number 7. Coming in at number 7 is To All a Good Night. If you are like me and love a good Christmas night in, you love a good movie, you love to cozy up in your favorite blanket, have a good night with your boo, read a good book, get a nice cup of hot chocolate or a cup of hot coffee or tea, if that is your thing, cozy up and burn this. It is a cool winter breeze, sweet lavender dreams nestled in a cozy blanket. It just gives cozy. It gives clean. It has some type of a twist to it. I don't know what note that is, but it's nice for any big area. You'll be able to feel the vibes in the room when burning this candle. Yes, it's very nice and clean, not strong at all. To All a Good Night, coming in at number 7. Coming in at number 6 is Eucalyptus Snowfall. If you know, you know, aromatherapy will always be that one that I go to for freebies, awards, anything when it's on sale, lavender, eucalyptus, you can count me in, okay? This is good if you're cleaning your home and you want that nice additional refresh. This is good for that. It has frozen eucalyptus, snowy spearmint, and winter lavender. So if you want to have a nice spa night, DIY spa night, a nice bath, you're doing some skincare, you're doing some foot soaking, this is the candle. Anything aromatherapy will never disappoint. So Eucalyptus Snowfall coming in at number 6. Coming in at number 5 is Crushed Candy Cane. Yes, I said crushed candy cane. I don't know why I like this, but I do. I was burning this while I was decorating my Christmas tree. If you put on some good Christmas music, burn this candle, it will just set the mood for Merry Christmas, right? You remember when you needed a peppermint and you looked through your purse or you ask someone for a peppermint, and when you got that peppermint, it was just like so refreshing. That's what this candle gives. I love this one for some odd reason. It has crunchy peppermint, white sugar crystals, and frosted mint leaf. This just gives vibes. I'm sorry, I love crushed candy cane, and this is candle number 5. Coming in at number 4 is Bright Christmas Morning. I don't know, I liked this one for some reason because it had a nice balance of sweet and clean. So I burned this while I was reading and having my water or my coffee, and it just gives a nice creative vibe and mood to the morning. Sometimes, you know, when you're making breakfast, you're writing down your thoughts for the day. This gave me that creative, relaxing mood because it has ripe red berries, blood orange, and crisp apple. So it kind of wakes up your senses in a sense. And I picked this out because I didn't see this last year. I love the color, Bright Christmas Morning, why not? So coming in at number 4, Bright Christmas Morning. Candle number 3 is Snowflakes and Cashmere. I wish I would have seen the 3-wick, but I didn't. So I picked this one up because it gave luxe, it gave rich, it gave nice and clean. I love to use this while cleaning the bathroom area just to refresh and refresh the space, give it a nice open atmosphere. It has a vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods, and frosted clementine. Now you would think that it would smell sweet because of that, but to me it gave very nice and clean, giving nice and fresh, very demure, right? I love this one. I wish it came in a 3-wick, but I've never seen this one before. I didn't see it last year, but this one definitely spoke luxury, snowflakes and cashmere, coming in at number 3. So before I get into my last 2 favorite scents, I want to give some honorable mentions. As you see on the screen, you can't buy everything. They had so many varieties, so many options. So when you go to Candle Day, don't be overloaded. Don't think you have to buy everything. Buy what stands out to you. Coming in at number 2, this isn't necessarily a Christmas scent, but I do not see it year round, but I remember buying this last year and I just couldn't get enough. Vanilla Birch. The notes are white birch, Madagascar vanilla, and warm sandalwood. So I think it's the sandalwood and the birch that I like. I don't even know what birch is, but you can burn this in any room at any time. I think this is a great scent if you are having a nice night in, you want to set the mood for your home, whether it's Christmas or whether it's Valentine's. Vanilla Birch is the candle to get. Coming in at number 2. Coming in at number 1, I am sorry to say it is not even a Christmas scent. I know that I said that this is a Christmas haul, but y'all, when I smelt this candle, I don't even want to show y'all yet. This is what I'm burning in the background. It just gives everything. I don't even know what to describe it as, but this book loft, get the candle. Get the candle. Its notes is crisp bergamot, woods, and a warm blanket. It says pair with your favorite book. Pair with your favorite book. Pair with your favorite drink. Pair with your favorite boo. Pair with your, not your favorite boo, your only boo. Pair with your spouse. Whatever the occasion, whatever the time, if you're in a creative mood, if you're writing your blog, if you're doing your YouTube video, whatever it is that you are doing, let Book Loft be a part of your life. Let Book Loft be a part of your day. When I tell you, yeah, I can't even explain it. It's so clean. It has notes that I've never smelled in a candle before. You can burn this anywhere. I don't know what else to say. I think it's one of my absolute favorite candles of all time. Bath & Body Works, if you are watching, you did your big one on this. This is my favorite. Sun Drenched Linen is my favorite. And another one that I have not seen in a while is Almond. Those three just do it for me. And Book Loft comes in at number 1 for 2024 Bath & Body Works candle haul. So if you are on the hunt this year, if you are doing Candle Day, whether you're in store or online, make sure that you find these candles that I mentioned today as part of your gift giving, or if you are just buying for your home. If you have any suggestions, or what is your favorite candle? Yeah, put that in the comment section below. What is your favorite of all time Bath & Body Works candle? I want to see, and I want to thank you for watching today's video. And again, Merry Christmas to you and your family.